Inside of Navisworks, design teams have the ability to append models using a range of Autodesk, vendor-neutral and further miscellaneous applications. To insert a file into Autodesk Navisworks, users simply need to click on Append found in the Project panel beneath the Home tab on the ribbon. Here, designers can navigate to the host location for the file they'd like to insert. This can either be on a local desktop and/or server, or it can be inserted from Autodesk docs hosted inside of the cloud and accessed via the Autodesk Desktop connector. Using the cloud allows for easement of accessibility and remote working to take place. Navisworks can host a wide range of file formats, including other Navisworks files, Autodesk FBX, AutoCAD, ACIS SAT, CIS2, DWF, IFC, IGES, Inventor, JT Open, MicroStation, Parasolid, PDS Design Review, RVM, SketchUp, STEP, STL, VRML, and 3D Studio. Prior to appending a model inside of Navisworks, users need to assess a few aspects, including ensuring the native model to be inserted is geospatially correct and to a consistent coordinate system. Failing to do this will result in the inserted model being misaligned. The model to be inserted is to the right units, whether it be metric or imperial. This will have a large impact on the scale of the model once inserted. And aspects such as line work and model objects have been placed on the correct layer or category. This will allow users to have full control over what is shown or hidden inside the Navisworks coordination model. On appending or federating all of the models required by the Navisworks coordination model, designers can begin performing tasks such as reviewing and measuring using the Measured panel, or marking up and adding comments, all found beneath the Review tab. They can also begin to perform clash detection analysis using the Clash Detective tool, add 4D modelling aspects such as linking the Navisworks coordination model to a Microsoft project file using the Timeliner tool, and animating movable components by using the Animator tool. All this and more can be found inside of Navisworks, allowing design teams to automate tasks that once upon a time would have been arduous and cumbersome.